In this video, we're diving into how you can make your WordPress site on SiteGround run faster using only the tools provided by SiteGround. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we'll cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and keep it performing at its best. Slow sites frustrate visitors, and they hurt your search rankings. Fortunately, SiteGround provides features like dynamic caching and the SiteGround Optimizer plugin to help you boost speed without installing a bunch of extra plugins. Today, we'll cover everything. Why speed matters. Visitors expect websites to load quickly. If your page takes more than a couple of seconds to appear, people might leave and never return. Speed also influences search engine rankings. Google uses metrics called Core Web Vitals. Things like largest contentful paint and cumulative layout shift to measure user experience. A faster site gives you a better chance of climbing search results and keeping visitors engaged. Thankfully, SiteGround's tools can help. Enable dynamic caching. What is dynamic caching? Dynamic caching stores the output of your pages on the server, so they load faster for future visitors. Instead of generating a page on every request, the server serves a cached version. SiteGround uses Nginx with a special caching layer to accelerate delivery. Turn on dynamic caching. So log into your SiteGround account and go to Site Tools. But if you don't have a SiteGround account, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and select either web hosting, WordPress hosting, or website builder. So go ahead and click on the WordPress hosting plans. Go ahead and click on Start Now. You can choose from one of their 3 plans. They've got the Startup plan, the Grow Big plan, or the Go Geek plan. So with the Startup plan, you get one website, 10 gigabytes of website space, about 10,000 monthly visits, and unmetered traffic. With the Grow Big plan, you get unlimited websites, double the amount of space at 20 gigabytes, supports about 100,000 monthly visits, and you also get unmetered traffic. You also get all this other stuff down here below, which is really awesome. So you can go ahead and pause the screen and check it out, or just click the link for yourself. But if you want to get started with SiteGround, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. So in the left menu, select speed and then caching. You'll see 3 tabs: dynamic caching, Memcached, and file-based caching. Under dynamic caching, toggle the switch to on. If you're using the SiteGround Optimizer plugin in WordPress, open it and confirm that dynamic caching is enabled. Now, whenever you make major changes to your site, purge the cache using the flush cache button. Use Memcached for database speed. Why Memcached? Memcached stores database queries in memory, so future requests are served faster. It's especially helpful for e-commerce and membership sites. Enable Memcached in Site Tools. Go to Speed, Caching, Memcached, and turn it on. Then in your WordPress dashboard, open the SiteGround Optimizer plugin. Under Caching, enable Memcached. This step connects your WordPress site to the Memcached service on your server. Save the settings. Your database queries will now be cached automatically. File-based caching for static resources. Understanding file-based caching. While dynamic caching handles HTML output, file-based caching deals with static resources like images, CSS, and JavaScript. SiteGround stores these files in a way that allows them to be served quickly. Enable file-based caching in Site Tools under Speed, Caching, and then go to File-Based Caching tab. Toggle it on. This instructs the server to cache static files. Remember to clear this cache if you change your CSS or upload new images so visitors see your updates. Environment optimizations. SiteGround's Optimizer plugin includes settings that improve the hosting environment. Enable HTTPS. First, ensure that your site has an SSL certificate installed. SiteGround provides Let's Encrypt certificates for free. In security, go to SSL Manager, issue a certificate for your domain, and then force HTTPS in Site Tools or via the SG Optimizer plugin. Secure connections are not only safer, but they can also speed up page load times thanks to modern protocols like HTTP/2. Heartbeat optimization. WordPress's Heartbeat API sends periodic requests to your server to autosave posts and show when others are editing. Too many requests can slow things down. In SiteGround Optimizer, go to Environment Settings and enable Heartbeat optimization. You can set the frequency to reduce the number of calls that WordPress makes. DNS, prefetch, and preconnect. When your site loads third-party resources like fonts from Google, browsers need to resolve the domain first. DNS prefetching tells the browser to look up these domains in advance. In SiteGround Optimizer, toggle DNS prefetch and preconnect to enable this. A small tweak that helps you rely on external optional scripts or fonts. Scheduled database maintenance. Databases collect overhead over time. In SiteGround Optimizer, enable the scheduled database maintenance option. This plugin will automatically optimize your database tables on a regular schedule, keeping things tidy, improving query performance. GZIP compression and browser caching. GZIP compresses your website's files, making them smaller to download. Browser caching tells visitors' browsers to store files locally so they don't have to download them again on each visit. In SiteGround Optimizer, under Environment, make sure GZIP compression and browser caching are enabled. Both settings help reduce the amount of data transferred. Ultrafast PHP. SiteGround offers an optimized PHP version called Ultrafast PHP. It improves performance by serving requests more efficiently. In Site Tools, go to Devs and then PHP Manager, select Ultrafast PHP as your version. If your site relies on older code, test this on a staging site first to make sure everything works. Front-end optimizations. While caching speeds up delivery, front-end optimizations make the actual files lighter and easier for browsers to render. Minify HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Minification removes unnecessary characters like spaces and comments from your files. In SiteGround Optimizer, go to Front-End Optimization. Enable minify HTML output, minify JavaScript files, and minify CSS files. These options reduce the file sizes and shorten load times. Combine CSS and JavaScript. Use with caution. Combining files reduces the number of requests a browser makes. In SiteGround Optimizer, you can enable combine CSS files and combine JavaScript files. However, combining can sometimes break functionality. So test your site after enabling these settings. If something stops working, disable the combination and rely on minification alone. Defer render blocking JavaScript. Some scripts block the page from loading until they run. Defer these scripts so the browser can render the page first. Enable defer render blocking JS in SiteGround Optimizer. Again, test your site thoroughly, as deferring might affect interactive elements. Optimize web fonts. Fonts can slow down your site. SiteGround Optimizer has a web fonts optimization option. When enabled, it preloads Google Fonts and sets up efficient connections. If you use custom fonts, consider hosting them locally and preloading them manually. Lazy load images. Instead of loading every image at once, lazy loading waits until an image is about to enter the visitor's viewport. This speeds up initial page render. SiteGround Optimizer automatically lazy loads images when the feature is enabled. Check that it's turned on under media optimization. Image compression. Compress images before uploading using tools like TinyPNG or Photoshop. SiteGround Optimizer doesn't handle image compression, so do this yourself. Use JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics. Keep image dimensions appropriate for the space they occupy. Huge images scaled down in the browser waste bandwidth. Monitor and testing using SiteGround tools. SiteGround provides performance reports in the site's tools dashboard. Check your site's metrics after enabling each optimization. If you see improvements, keep the changes. If something goes wrong, roll back the last tweak. External testing tools. Use GTmetrix, page speed insights, or web page test to measure load times in core web vitals. These tools show which resources are slowing down your site. Tweak settings accordingly. Remember that changes to speed may take a few minutes to reflect in these tests because of caching. Purge cache when needed. After making changes to your site's design or content, purge the dynamic and file-based caches so visitors see the latest version. You can do this in Site Tools or via the SiteGround Optimizer plugin. Troubleshooting and best practices. Avoid duplicate optimization plugins. Some themes and plugins include their own caching and optimization features. Running multiple optimization tools can cause conflict. Stick with SiteGround's built-in tools or the SiteGround Optimizer plugin. If you need more advanced optimization, consider a separate plugin, but disable overlapping features in SiteGround Optimizer. Update plugins, themes, and WordPress. Outdated software can slow down your site and expose vulnerabilities. Regularly update everything. Before major updates, back up your site. Use a staging site if possible to test updates before applying them to your live site. Limit heavy plugins. Not all slowdowns come from your host. Heavy plugins like page builders, sliders, or analytics trackers can bloat your site. Evaluate whether you need all installed plugins. Deactivate and delete any that you don't use. For necessary plugins, check if there are lighter alternatives. Optimize your content. Long pages with many images and videos can load slowly. Break long posts into multiple pages if it makes sense. Use thumbnails that link to full-size images, instead of embedding large files directly. Host videos on services like YouTube or Vimeo, and embed them, rather than uploading large video files to your server. So you don't need a handful of plugins to make your WordPress site on SiteGround faster. By enabling dynamic caching, Memcached, and file-based caching, optimizing your environment settings, and using the SiteGround Optimizer plugin's front-end features, you can significantly improve load times. So remember to test changes, monitor performance, and keep your site lean by using only what you need. A faster site keeps visitors happy, improves search rankings, and reflects well on your brand. So if you want to get started with SiteGround hosting or any services that we recommend, you'll find links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.